Kenosha Police Chief John Morrissey answered questions in court about what he knew and when he found out a former officer planted evidence. Former Kenosha police officer Kyle Bars admitted he planted a bullet and a suspect's ID while executing the search warrant for a murder in 2014. Marquise Tibbs copped a plea agreement based on the evidence Kenosha police gathered. Now Tibbs is considering withdrawing that plea due to the crime the former officer is accused of committing.
I asked him if he could tell me why he did what he did, and he said, "I can't." And I said, "You won't or you can't?" And he said, "I won't."
Kenosha Police Chief John Morrissey talked about the now disgraced officer's actions. The defense wanted to know why Kenosha Police stopped its internal investigation, never pursued criminal charges against Bars, and didn't inform Tibbs of the planted evidence.
It should have been further investigated. I guess I dropped the ball there.
The special prosecutor assigned to the case believes there wasn't a systematic attempt to cover up Bars' crime.
I think what the chief testified to today is correct. I think the testimony that he gave was consistent.
The chief says Bars resigned before he could recommend firing.
Well, I believe planting the ID at the scene is absolutely wrong, and that's why I think Kyle understood I was going to recommend his termination to the Police and Fire Commission.
But defense attorney Terry Rose says the former officers and Kenosha Police response speak volumes to the Tibbs case and potentially others.
And I think this is extraordinarily serious because it goes to the very heart and integrity of the criminal justice process.
There's still no clear reason why Kyle Bars planted the evidence. The defendant Tibbs will let the judge know by next week if he wants the plea thrown out. Based on the testimony, a judge will make her decision. In Kenosha, JERMONT, today's TMJ4.